blow-dried, half curly at this point, but I'm just trying to stretch it out as long as I can. I'm normally always excited on like nail day to get my nails done, but because I've never really had my nails done here in Houston, I normally do them myself. Well, that's not true. I've gotten my nails done, but I haven't found like a spot just yet, so I've been doing them myself. I've also just been giving my nails a break in general. I'm always like wary about people doing my nails because I know I'm so particular. Like, some people go to the nail salon and they just relax. I am not that girl. When I go to the nail salon, I am in the nail tech's face, the pedicure person's face, because I need to see what you're doing. I need to see what it looks like. I'm just that person. Because I know how to do nails, it's just that I don't know how to make them last. Like, I can do nail designs and stuff like that. I just can't make them last. So I like people to be precise with like shape and stuff like that. So, yeah. So I've come to the conclusion that I'm just gonna do my nails myself. As you saw, I did my toes. Well, I got my toes done, and I was thinking about getting my nails done, but I like doing gel X nails as opposed to acrylic. I haven't done acrylic in years, and I just feel like I know how to do gel X. I don't know how to make them last as long, so I can practice and work on that, but I don't wanna pay all that money to get it done, and then people don't shape it the way I need them to. They don't do the design properly, and then I leave upset because I wasted my money on something I could do myself. Will it last as long? Probably not, but it'll give me the opportunity to learn and to practice the prep part of it. And I'm just gonna do a French so I don't have to worry about the design. What I like about these is you can apply these like Gel X. So I'm not gonna use glue, I'm literally gonna use the Gel X system. And when I say Gel X, what I literally mean is the Appraise system, which I have, top coat, the hydrator, the extend gel. It's like a mess, but here it is. I have cuticle nourishment. I have like all of these high quality stuff because a lot of things were gifted to me. I'm gonna cut my cuticles and I'm gonna just take this as some time to relax. I'm gonna try these. Let's get into some nail cam because how do I show you? My nails came out so pretty. I think this is like the best job I've done so far with like getting everything right in application and not having air bubbles. Like, they just look so good. Packing and getting ready because we are going to Austin for the weekend. It is Memorial Day weekend and we are having a quick getaway, which I'm excited about because I've never been to Austin and it's a road trip, and yeah, I love anything that's new. So
I've never been there.
Juan?
Yeah, I've never been to Juan.
Juan is good.
he said balance.
Anything sweet.
Yeah, me too. Got too excited.
Got too excited.
Yes, I forgot she got the DSL. DSL. I'm not kidding. Good morning. We just had the coolest group session with this Talking Point Christian faith-based card game. It was really, really dope. No, I said I have a moisturizer with that. That's like, yeah. You want it? Oh, you have sunscreen on all your eyes? You're in the bag while we're walking? Yeah, I mean, I'm not carrying this bag. I'm just bringing it in the car. Oh.
Nice drink.
Call me maybe if you wanna be sweet, if you wanna be sweet, it's okay.
Oh.
Yeah. I got ahead of myself. Tall ice white chocolate with no whip.
I can't remember the last time I hiked. I think it was with my family in the Virgin Islands. But this is not supposed to be an extensive hike, so let's see. Oh, look at this huge tree. Wow. You get Stranger Things. You know, I can never get into that show. I only watched like one episode.
I loved it. I didn't watch the last season.
Really?
Yeah, they took it left.
I think that's what I heard. Somebody told me that. Don't fall.
Did you get that?
Don't fall now. So I'm officially 6 months in of moving from Brooklyn, New York to Houston, Texas. And I'm here to report that change is good after all. I couldn't have told you 6 months ago that I'd be here in Austin, Texas for the weekend with 3 new friends that I did not know prior to my move. But that's the funny thing about life. You can have all of these plans, all of these expectations laid out, and then it'll just throw you a curveball. And sometimes it's for worse, but sometimes it's for the better. And these last 6 months have been very much a mix of both. I've experienced moving to a new city, experiencing all kinds of excitement, then getting my Instagram hacked and just feeling like, what am I gonna do next? To finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel and meeting people that bring me so much joy, that bring out a different side of me, that have me hiking in a city that I've never been to before, but enjoying it so much. I'm so grateful, and I think that's the good part about being open to change and being open to new things, because apart from discovering more of what life has to offer, you also learn more about yourself in the process. This trail has so much character. Like, I've done Puerto Rico, I've done Virgin Islands, I've done New York, but this trail is like my favorite.
So when you go back to New York, can you report and tell them
No, I can't do that.
it's not all horses.
Oh.
It's not all drop
It's not the dust ball
Yeah,
thing.
I was younger when I told people I was moving here, they were like, wow, you're gonna be riding a horse to school? I was like, I don't know. I was so worried.
So
I don't know how
concerned.
to ride a horse. You got some character in Texas too.
I see. See, now, Sully a year ago would have told you, I'm a New Yorker through and through. I'm going to live my Sarah Jessica Parker life in New York and just ride it out to the end. And that still may be true, because deep down inside, I love New York. And I will probably make my way back home because I just love it there. But I also love that I've made a home away from home. I love that I've met people that feel like home away from home. And I love that in this journey of being in a new city, of being in a new home, I'm learning so much about myself, about how I adapt to new environments. I'm learning about new cultures. And even when I feel out of place or if I feel uncomfortable or uneasy, I know that I can count on myself to adapt and I can count on myself to get through. And I feel more resilient for it. I feel more adaptable and I just feel grateful, honestly, because how many people can say that they've tried something new or move, cross country by themselves? Like that is something to be proud of. And I'm proud of myself. Change feels really weird in the beginning. And if I'm honest, I'm not always the best at like adapting to change and pivoting as quickly as I should. But I'm definitely embracing it more now because I'm just seeing the fruits of it. Like meeting the people that I've been meeting, going to the places that I've been going to, and learning things about myself that I didn't know I would like before. Like I'm trying all these new dishes and desserts and these places that I did not even know existed before moving to Houston or moving to Texas. So, yeah, change is good, man. It's uncomfortable, it can be hard, it can be painful, but literally out of the concrete, who knew that a flower would grow? That's like the best way to sum up this experience so far. And yeah, I can't wait to see what the next 6 months look like.